Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to tackle one of the most burning questions for those who trade on Expert Option. Is this broker or software the real deal or just another scam? In this presentation, we're going to explore the ins and outs of Expert Option, why some folks think it's a scam, and even provide some solid proof of withdrawals. So buckle up because we're diving right in. Expert Option, a trading broker founded in 2014, has been making waves in the trading world. But here's the thing, the Expert Option software is licensed by SVGFSA, which isn't quite a top-tier regulatory body. Nevertheless, this platform processes over 30 million trades monthly and even earned the title of Best Trading Platform of the Year in China back in May 2017. Now, let's talk about why Expert Option is gaining popularity. It's all about low minimum deposit rates and free demo accounts. These features are a godsend for beginners who want to learn and trade without breaking the bank. And that's not all. Expert Option also boasts no transaction fees, a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, and top-notch educational materials. When you register, you're handed $10,000 on a demo account. This is gold for those who are still getting the hang of things. But here's the twist. Some folks believe that the demo account and the real account are entirely separate markets. The reality? They're not. Let me show you a comparison of both markets at the same time frames. The belief that these are different markets often stems from people switching to the real account after a winning streak on the demo account only to face losses. It's not about different markets, it's about shifting from practice to reality. Now, no software is perfect, and Expert Option has its downsides. Firstly, it's not available in the USA, Canada, or EU countries. Plus, it lacks regulation from reputable authorities, which can raise suspicions. But let's talk about the good stuff. After registering, users can choose from different plans with varying facilities, from micro to exclusive. When it comes to deposit methods, Expert Option offers a smorgasbord of options, including wire transfers, Visa and MasterCards, Maestro, PayPal, EO Finance, Kiwi, WebMoney, Yandex Money, Skrill, Nettler, and many more. You can even deposit in various currencies, both traditional and cryptocurrencies. And now, the moment of truth, withdrawals. Expert Option promises that all withdrawals will be processed within 2-3 days. But in my personal experience, they've been even quicker. For an instant withdrawal, make sure to request it on a weekday. Here are some of those withdrawals I've taken. Expert Option gives you the ability to withdraw your earnings through various services like Skrill, any cryptocurrency wallet, Nettler, and bank cards. But here's where some controversy arises: the deposit bonus. You can't withdraw this bonus amount, it's strictly for trading. However, any profits you make with it can be withdrawn. The bonus amount varies based on your deposit size, from 20% to a whopping $12.50, depending on the amount you deposit. Now, let's talk about the cherry on top. One of the reasons Expert Option is soaring in popularity is its lightning-fast and responsive customer service, available 24/7. You can reach out to them anytime, and they typically respond within 24 hours. But the real game changer here is the higher profit rate. While most broker sites offer returns between 20% to 60%, Expert Option takes it up a notch with over 80% for every trade you place. It only drops to around 60% for specific assets and currencies. In conclusion, after considering all these factors, it's safe to say that Expert Option is not a scam or fraud. The main reason some people have a negative impression is that they might lose money due to insufficient knowledge of the Expert Option platform. In the end, trading always carries risks, and the key to success lies in getting educated and informed. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Expert Option.